Okay, I'm the pilot, and what we have here is what they call in Greece the Laiki. That's the popular market. There is a whole bunch of fancy stores in Greece with any brand, name brand in the world, but that's Europe. Greece is a part of Europe. What you see here is Greece. This is original Greece. Here you find the good feta, the cheap good feta, the good, great cheap olives, the great produces, great fish, a great art of Greek culture. So wherever you come to Greece, do not go to the fancy stores. Go to the Laiki. Again, Laiki, L-A-I-K-I. Laiki, that's the popular market.
All right, let's take a look around.
And look around here with a friend that has best olives and everything.
And then over here we have herbs, all kinds of herbs and spices, and it smells absolutely wonderful in here.
There's about 1,000 little stores. Each one special stuff that you cannot find to the next store.
Yeah, there's the inside of the little store. Okay, and then we have, oh wait, we've got fresh roasted, what's this over here? Peanuts and sunflower seeds and popcorn. They're roasting it as we're talking. It smells wonderful. Some Brazil nut.
Coffee, of course.
And coffee.
Awesome coffee.
Okay. And then here's the rest of the market. There's flowers. There's clothing. Over here we have some baskets.
And 95%.
Oh my gosh, what's this? Paprika? Crushed red pepper. Wow. Wonderful. Some baskets.
What do you see here?
You gotta come over here. Down.
And the most important part, 95 to 97% of the people that you meet here, they're all Greeks. Not tourists. A couple of them, yes, they get lost. But most of them, they're the Greeks.
Okay,
so
we got
from the Laiki in Thessaloniki, Greece, thank you for watching. And have a great day and come and visit.